A resilient safety culture is all about, first, the recognition that people make mistakes. And as humans, we're going to make mistakes. We're going to have errors. That's life.
We use learnings from those mistakes, and we use that challenge and that adversity to build a better plan and program in the future.
We have to design our systems and our work such that when errors occur, injuries don't.
No, we haven't been doing anything wrong. We've got a great foundation from which to build upon.
We've spent the past 10 or 12 years learning how to be very proactive in safety.
We've got great safety standards. We've put in place really important safety leading indicators to help us improve. We've got safety leadership tools that we've rolled out to all our team members. We recognize that safety is a core value, and it starts with genuine care for all of our team members and our contractors that are on our sites.
So what we've been doing has been exactly right. As we think about the safety maturity curve, we started out many years ago as a reactive culture where someone would get hurt and we would determine why and try to do things to make sure it didn't happen again. And we moved into the proactive realm where we're actually taking actions ahead of time to help prevent injuries. We're at the point now where it's time to take the next step from proactive toward learning and resilient.
We have a great foundation from which to build upon and to get better.
Moving to resilient is about taking those tools that we learned when we were reactive and proactive and adding to that toolbox the fact that mistakes happen and what can we do to make sure that mistakes and errors don't result in injuries. And so it's more tools we're picking up along the way that are going to take us to where we can really become resilient.
The fact of the matter is we're still getting team members seriously injured every year. And we want to see that next level of significant improvement. It's really our most important responsibility to get everyone that's at our sites home the same way they came in every day.
When we have an event occur, we study it, we understand it, we learn from it, but that event was a near miss. Where in the past, in a culture that hasn't achieved resiliency, we'd really be investigating an injury. So it's the difference between a near miss and an injury. The learnings are the same. We can learn just as much from a near miss as we learn from an injury, but nobody got hurt, and we're allowed to get better for free.
I think the most important piece is to actively get everyone engaged in it. Be very open and transparent, create a vision about where you want to go, and then start where you are.
We're all at different places. Individuals, teams, facilities, businesses, we're at very different places along that curve in moving safety culture toward resilient, and that's okay.
So I think it's important for you to understand where your specific facility is on the journey to resiliency. And if you still have a lot of misunderstandings around the basics, if there's still not a strong understanding of what the standards are and how to execute on them, then that's where you need to focus your time.
Because it's going to be a different set of immediate tools and tactics if you're moving from a reactive culture than if you're already beyond proactive.
If you're further along and you've really got great buy-in to safe work observations and the safety leading indicators, and you're using that proactive data to continuously get better, then you can move a little further along the curve. And I think it's just really important to do that self-evaluation, understand where your facility is, and then get acquainted with the tools and develop your own plan to continue on the journey.